Hi guys, ito na naman tayo sa ating 89.90 kilograms. Ang third place po natin ay si Rhea Mi Gonzalo, starting weight of 89.15 kilograms and a final weight of 83.35 kilograms, average of 6.51% and a total loss of 5.8 kilograms. Tingnan nyo naman guys, parang nag-flatten yung kanyang abs at saka yung tiyan parang nag-flatten. So guys, yan po ang ating third place. Si Rhea Mi Gonzalo. Okay, second place po tayo guys. I see Eileen Oples Salvanes, starting weight of 82 kilograms. Ayan. Lumiit yung bewang ni ma'am. Final weight of 74.75 kilograms, 8.84%, and a total loss of 7.3 kilograms. Ayan. Lumiit talaga yung tiyan ni ma'am. Ayan. Good job, ma'am. And also, ang ating champion, ating first place goes to... Ding, 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 ding. Wilma Austria Mendoza, starting weight of 81.4 kilograms, final weight of 71.3 kilograms, 12.41%, at total loss of 10.1 kilograms. Ayan, lumiit talaga yung bewang ni ma'am. Tingnan nyo naman guys, pag may tiyaga, may nilaga. Although marami pang ilulose weight si ma'am, pero ayan, nakuna na siya ng 10.1 kilograms. Okay guys, happy holidays. Yan pang mga nanalo. Thank you, thank you, thank you.